Oh my gosh, it's actually taking so long.
Do I turn it again?
And I put that inside your bag
3 times.
Fit check airport. Airport fit. We're at the airport now. And it's our first AACG trip. Yeah. 안녕 여러분. 저는 엘라입니다. Can you pay for my insurance first? I don't have my credit card.
Also, my credit card. My credit card was saved in my phone. Grace, you
너무
didn't bring yours.
행복해. Yeah, oh my god, I never bring. 너무 무서워.
What do we want to?
팬츠 서비스.
사랑해. Couldn't shave this part of my knee because like I'm scared.
Am I gonna put this in the vlog? I do not know.
Yeah, it's just like
From Gladys.
Korea.
My mommy.
The one where you can sit and go around. I was gonna bring them.
Why you never bring, you bitch?
Because it's damn small, you can't put anything inside.
Pardon my language.
Huh?
Pardon my language.
No.
I'm blind.
What's this number?
5.
This number.
I can see. First meal in Korea.
Sure, fine, I'll be like Gladys.
I was just so. Oh my god, what the heck? It's so big. What the freak?
Transcendent.
Transcendent.
Yes, get this.
It was a workout for real.
Wait, let's take a picture. She went like, yeah, mix it, mix it.
Us before shopping. We just shopped in Daiso. Oh, like I feel like if they're
I'm just into really weird stuff, like grainy stuff. And
My soup.
she managed to. Oh yeah, I also got it.
My soup.
Chloe went over budget. As you can see her bag. First,
Oh, what the hell?
with you guys.
How is your chocolate croissant? Quite nice. But do you think this will be nice? Nicer than the croissant.
nicer than the croissant.
Yes.
Nicer than the croissant.
No. I don't like.
Chloe, stop lying to yourself.
I actually really like. You didn't catch that.
There's freaking Gladys remnants, bruh. Fit.
Kind of mixy.
The strawberry jam is really good.
Oh.
Right? The strawberry is good, right? It's like strawberry milk.
Yeah, not bad.
Okay, final verdict. Can't taste the matcha when you mix it together. But if you taste the matcha alone, it tastes nutty.
Like what I said, isn't it? The matcha is very light.
Fried chicken run. 사랑해. Guys, this is the treacherous hill that we have to climb and descend upon each day. Ash and I are quite not feeling the best. Hopefully tomorrow we'll recuperate.
I just want to sleep. Me and them then.
Right?
Then just get garlic chili.
Guys, we have the view of Namsan Tower there. So many things. Ah, this is it. This is the place.
I don't know how I feel about the color.
Espresso matcha latte sounds
Thoughts?
Tastes like artificial. I'm disappointed.
My phone? Oh, okay. This is my Pemin.
She spilled it all over my fucking hand and onto her toes.
Tastes like coffee and peach.
Tell Xavier why we have dinner so late, but tell him the wrong answer.
Mash is so yummy. You with George looks like she looks like she's only 24.
12:24. We're not alone. Pathetic.
What is it? Cream with chocolate.
Oh my god, what fatty ass.
Glam card.
$5 for this is nice.
We got the goods. Oh my god, it burst.
We have to change Is this not peanut?
Let me smell.
And peanut.
Thoughts?
Good.
Oh my god, yummy, yeah. I love it. Now we're going to the Kwanjang market to eat some seafood.
Hello, what is the first one? You see the first one?
So thick and like
Soup. I'm pretty sure it's just some beef soup. It smells really good and they say it's very salty. Ashley devouring the soup.
It's hot, so it's good for the throat.
Gladys crafting. My message
I'm really sick. This like doctor gave me a packet of suspicious juice. I don't even know what it was. But I think it made my throat better. And Ella says I sound less like a man. Yippee to that. I feel like I'm like nervous this trip because like I can't sing like how I want to.
But she's still singing.
In the city.
Stop it.
No, because it's moving up. Look, it's stripping.
Mommy, don't say that we're gonna eat it.
What's that escaping one?
Oh my god, I can't even grab it. Quick. It's fun.
Nice.
Guys, you not had to take a few extra chews just in case. I was very scared.
I don't like cold.
Wait. Yeah. I rated it a 10, then I changed to 9 because I don't like the cold noodles. And I rated it a 9. Why is it a 9?
It's just a 9, it's not a 10.
How about you, Ash? Ash rated it, guess. 10 out of 10, no guessing.
She literally put her hands up already.
10. Yummy, I'm satisfied.
That's why you guys.
I rate it a 9 out of 10 because it's good. Okay, the sandwich was good. The pizza pancake is good, but it can be a bit crusty. The UK and the octopus was good, like very fresh. It was very nicely seasoned. I don't complain about it.
Oh, yes,
She got no
it's
complaint from
But
them.
then the naengmyeon, because we didn't add vinegar and mustard, so I cannot say it's a good. I don't think the broth is like that flavorful, so it can be better. Like, I've tried better things. But the noodle texture is really good and it really very good.
The noodles I
9 out of
love it. The noodles are just so good.
Okay.
10. I got down to business.
That was the longest food review I've ever sat through. Tea for my mommy, for my grandparents, no, for Xavier's mommy, and for my grandparents. And I kind of want to get one more of this.
Yeah, right? Ash? For who?
For me.
Garlic boy.
What's inside? Just
Garlic.
nothing.
I think maybe got protein. I don't know.
Wait, you can't say how it tastes until.
Okay.
Yeah, I just. Oh my god, I said that too.
I think it's so sweet, but that's how Koreans like it.
Yeah, I said it's too sweet for garlic.
Oh, but I think it's a perfect.
I like it. Wait, read it out there, read it out there. 1, 2, 3,
8.
We are just buddies.
I choose this
I tripped over Ash just now.
Cute, but it's in Korean, so I don't need it. Ooh. Kitty cat.
Yeah, we could have closed sparkly.
We decided to grab home because we're lazy and also we're so tired.
And also cause they bought freaking noodles that is so bloody heavy.
We're on a 15-minute walk to Han River. 21? It's finally off! That's one more part though.
Actually, I don't remember how it is.
Squid kimchi.
I choke on that shit.
And nobody cared.
We were gonna take the train, but Ella forgot her climate card, so she went with the take. And we decided to get some coffee.
Hi. Day 3, and I'm still sick, bruh.
Is it raining? She got the cute one! But
I guess that's working.
it was a blessing in disguise.
Why?
Gucci Tom Tom.
What did he get?
A fire!
Oh, not bad.
How about black and white?
Black and white.
Black and white. Ashley.
She's
Patient.
yeah, she's
I was
patient.
patient with it.
She was patient. Oh my god, we actually look so kawaii.
Wait, why is it like
Snacks. Another snack.
Thank you.
If you
안녕하세요.
Bro, he's been doing this the whole day, okay?
This is the brightness, redness, paleness of the skin undertone. These are the recommended colors for you in general, like clothing or accessories. Green. Foundations, you can try 25 minutes, until 9 minutes, and for lip kits, you can find these colors.
Which one I want to?
Yeah.
Am I cool or warm tone?
I think you're more of a neutral.
Neutral. And yet, I'm neutral. Yeah. Why?
How do you like to do your makeup? Brighter than your skin?
Brighter.
Or close to your white color? Or
Brighter.
brighter?
I have shade blindness.
Okay. You're a catfish, you know? Like, it's a bit yellowy.
I got shade much darker than Ella.
Yeah. One shade darker.
That's just crazy queen. So, one bed. It's good, but it's so cold.
I still like it though. The flavor is good.
I love it. Can you try this now? Really? We keep forgetting that they're actually Korean.
This is strawberry latte.
Latte, after latte, my phone back, right? Yeah. Is it good? Okay, don't show it, don't show it, don't show it. Oh, control you.
I was controlling.
Okay.
I think our standards are too high from yesterday.
But it's good.
It's good. It's actually, it is what it is.
It's better than what you get in Singapore because their strawberry jam or compote or whatever they put in it is like, I feel like it's premium.
Sunday mukbang.
Yuki! We're in Lotte Mart. This is my first time in Lotte Mart.
Where Lotte Mart? Ash is manning the back cart.
Latte?
It's so good.
Oh my god, you always she's always like this.
No, I feel like
We're gonna try rice
Oh,
cake.
rice cake.
More talk.
Tok and more tok.
You want? No, share. I'm gonna eat it.
Got nut.
Got nut?
Got nut.
It's peanut, got peanut. Someone eat. Oh my god, this is a peanut.
She eat Reese's cups before. So. But it's damn good.
Okay, not that great, but okay.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ashley. Happy birthday to you. In Korean. 생일 축하합니다. Was there no candles? Yeah. Okay.
Wait, guys, when you started singing Happy Birthday, I was like, who are you singing for?
She just keeps eating dog and asking people to eat dog.
Oh my god, what's that?
Tornado. Look at the crowd, guys. Guys, we impulse bought freaking ticket. If I wasn't imperf. This was a rest area with nothing. They couldn't even play some songs.
Get of shame.
That's so nice. Yeah, this is so nice. Yummy.
Scone time. She loves scones. I love scones. I love me a scone.
찜질방 신질방
I'm a tad bit scared.